Hello guys, welcome to Ima's Kitchen, and I'm going to be teaching you guys how to cook a nice dish, something that you can share with your friends, your family, and they are going to enjoy it, and it's going to be fantastic, fantabulous. And I hope you guys like this video, subscribe to this channel, share my channel, and yeah, have fun watching this video. So today I'll be cooking Chinese fried beef pasta. Normally it's Chinese fried beef rice, but today I'm going to be using pasta instead, and I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to do it with pasta and all that. And yeah, I'll show you guys the ingredients now.
So I've got sweet corn, half a purple onion, 3 chili pepper, 2 eggs, my pasta, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, another soy sauce, black pepper, salt, and beef. I've got my scale, so I'll show you the gram of beef I'm using. And also I'll be using half of this. Okay, so it's 191 grams, but the bowl on its own is 105. So 191 minus 105 is 86. So it is 86 grams of beef I am using to make this dish. Next step is to add water to the pot, let it boil, put some oil so that the pasta won't stick together, add some salt for some little bit of flavor. Then I'll do that right now, then I'll chop my veggies and I'll show you guys that. I've cut my chili, my onions, and my beef. I cut it into tiny pieces, and now I've opened my egg and I'm going to add a little bit of salt in it. Then I'll whisk this and I've got my water in my pot for my pasta. I'll put some oil in there, then I'll add some salt. There. Then I'll let this to boil for like 5 minutes. Is at not 5 minutes, 10 minutes. It's at high heat, so 10 minutes is good. Then I'll put in my pasta. Whilst the pot is boiling, I'm going to fry my egg. I'm going to add a little bit of oil. Yes. Then I'll add in my egg and mix this. I'll add in my egg and fry this. You want to do this like scrambled eggs, so you're going to be like doing like this, make it in the form of scrambled eggs. I'm just gonna do this and I'll show you how it looks after.
So this is how it looks now.
So my water is boiling right now, and it has reached the temperature I want it to be. I'll add in the pasta and I'll show you guys how it looks after. Pasta is done cooking, and now I have placed in 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 7 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and half a tablespoon of soy sauce. Now we'll move to the next step. I've heated my pan and I've added my butter, as you can see, and I'm going to let it heat. I added 73 grams of butter, by the way. The butter has melted, and now I'm going to add in this together. Then I will mix it in with the butter. I'll add a little bit of thyme. I forgot to tell you guys about that. I'll add just a little bit of thyme, probably a teaspoon. Yeah, and I'll mix this. So it's been frying for about 3 minutes now, and I'm going to add in my sweet corns. The sweet corns normally pop like popcorn when it's put in hot oil or butter. So if this happens to you, don't mind. It's been frying for 2 minutes now, and I'm going to add in the sauce. That is where I added my soy sauce and and my oyster sauce. And I'll mix this how it looks, and I'm going to add in my pasta now. I've added my pasta and I'm going to mix this, then add in my egg. How it looks now, and I'm going to add in the fried scrambled eggs. By the way, it's at low heat so it won't get burnt. And I'll mix this. And we are done, guys, and I'm going to show you guys how it looks in a plate. And yeah, we're done.